Hello there, Crystal from the Simply Wise team. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to search for an estimate that's within your Cost Estimator app. There's a few different ways that you can search for estimates, and we're going to walk through those today. The first will be the search bar at the top. If you tap into the search bar, this gives you an opportunity to search for the estimate name. You can type in the scope of work. So for example, it says bathroom remodel, or you can also search for a client name. So let's type in our client Allie, and we can see that very quickly it populated an estimate for her that we generated back on February 20th. Okay, exiting out of this screen, it's going to take us back to our home screen. We can also search estimates in the draft folder, the sent folder, and the approved folder. So in the middle of the screen, you'll see the estimates field there, the estimates section. If you tap into, let's say we tap into our draft, we can go into all of our draft estimates here, and we can quickly scroll through. Now, the thing is, if it's not saved with a client's name, like you can see I have many here that do not have a client assigned to them, then I would need to do a little bit more research and tap into the estimate to see what work is there. But if you have the client's name listed there, then it will be populated for you. You can also tap into your sent estimates here, as well as the approved estimates as well. Okay. And then also, one other way that you can look for estimates would be tapping into the projects screen and then tapping your all documents. So your all documents folder is going to bring everything into one space. If you have a lot, you may have to scroll through them. But if you can't remember which folder it's been saved in, or let's say it was moved from one folder to another and you just can't figure out where it is, then you can tap into the all documents folder. It'll bring everything into that one space, and then you can go through and locate there. So a few different ways to look for estimates. The last place that I will also mention is the recently deleted folder. So if something gets deleted, whether intentionally or by accident, you can tap the sidebar menu by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left hand corner. And then on the sidebar menu, you can tap recently deleted. Here you can see we actually do have an estimate that was deleted. If there was an invoice, it would be located under the invoice tab, and then the same for the intake forms. If they were deleted, it would be under the intake forms. So you can simply tap restore on that, and it will place it back in the folder from which it was deleted, and you can work with it again. So a few different ways to go through and search estimates. Usually it takes a few taps. Just make sure that you're saving it with a name and then the client information, and it'll make it that much easier for you to locate. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.